Hey Music Monday friends, welcome to the mountains of Tennessee. I am on vacation. I did think ahead enough to actually record some music for you before I left for vacation. Welcome to me. No makeup, hair's in a ponytail, wearing a t-shirt, but this is where I am and it's so me and I so love it. So thinking about it's now fall and you can see on the ground behind me here in the mountains, some of the leaves have begun to fall. And I tried to take some video yesterday of some of the leaves falling as the wind blew through the trees. It was beautiful. I'm not sure it worked like I really wanted. But what I recorded for you this week is autumn leaves. So I hope you enjoy. This is me making my way through a jazz fake book that has been on my piano music shelf that I have ignored for years, and I decided it was time to not ignore it anymore. So welcome to fall, everybody, and thanks for putting up with vacation me.